Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the password of your PlayStation account on PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Account Management. Next, select Account Information. On the next page, select Security. In Security Settings, select Password. You will need to enter your current password first, followed by your new password. Then confirm the new password. Click Confirm once you're done. You'll be signed out of your PlayStation account now and will need to sign in again using your new password. Your PlayStation password has now been changed on your PS4. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.